friends, how are you all? So today we are going to make a face pack which is very effective and very beneficial for your glowing skin. It will help you in whitening of skin and removing pigmentations and all. So it's great. So let's get started. We'll tell you how to make it. The first thing we'll take is 1 tablespoon maida. This is all-purpose flour. It is mostly used in baking and all, but it's great for face also. So here we go. Then we will take 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Here's the rice flour. This is not only good for making modak, it is very good for face. So the next thing is, now this yellow thing is called ama haldi, khadi haldi, or you can call it kasturi haldi. This is very beneficial for skin because the normal haldi you have in our kitchen, that is, it is adulterated. So that's not good for skin. It will make your skin more of blackened and pigmented. So here we go. It is very beneficial not just for your skin but also for your health. You can consume it and it is very, very, very good with highly antibacterial, what do you say that? Significance, right? So after taking 1/4 tablespoon of ama haldi, we'll take 1/4 tablespoon of honey. Oh, look at that. It looks so good. Honey is one of my favorite thing. You can just eat it and put it on your face and do things with it. It's amazing. And the next ingredient is milk. For the people who have very dry skin, and for the people who have oily skin, they can use curd instead of milk because that is pretty good for oily skins. So yeah, here we go. We're mixing it up. Mix. So yeah, there is one thing I would like to tell you all, that this pack is for everyone, for every age group. It is not necessary that you should be 35, 40 or 16. You can put it at any age and it's for anyone. A girl can put it, a boy can put it, anyone. This is very beneficial, very healthy, and the most thing we should reckon this with is that it does not have anything that we have to specifically go out and buy. It is made from the things we have in our home. So it's a very good DIY thing for your face. And there is one more thing I would like to tell you, that these packs, everything that is made in home, all of these things take time. You cannot just expect to put it on yourself for day one and expect oh look, my skin is glowing and it's great. That won't happen, guys. So you'll have to wait for it, use it frequently. For this pack, I would advise you to use it twice a week. So yes, and do it mostly and you will definitely see the effect. So yeah, we're gonna put it up and show you around. I'm gonna put it on my face and show it to you so you can see my face. I have just washed it and from normal face wash. I use Patanjali, but I don't know why. I prefer it. So yeah, I'm gonna put it on my face and show it to you. So this is my face before I have used this pack. You can see it. So yeah, I'm gonna put it on now and show you. As you can see, I have applied the face pack and I would keep it for 10 minutes, and this is my personal recommendation to all you friends, that you should not let dry any of the face mask or face pack, because there is this thing, it will cause you wrinkles if you have completely dried it. Just dry it a little bit, and little bit it's still wet. At that point of time you should remove it. So you should not keep it for too long on your face. I'll keep this pack for 10 minutes or maximum 15 minutes. Don't go for 20, 25 or 30 minutes. So yeah, and okay, I'll remove it in 10 minutes and then show you my face. I have washed my face and it had like I watched it after 10 minutes and you can see the effect if it is seen like right now. Let me pat dry. So guys, as you have seen, I have patted dry my face and I can see the glow. I don't know if you can see it or not. Like it's very soft. I can feel it, like it's very soft. And so yeah, now you can put on any moisturizer or something. I put on whatever that pack was for 10 minutes and it worked. So yeah, hope you would do it too for a better and healthy skin. And make sure to tell your experience in the comment section below. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. So yeah, see ya in the next video. Bye.